Hello students, now we'll be discussing into topic named string and length of the string. String and string length you'll observe. What is mean by string we'll understand. Let me define a string. String is nothing but sequence of symbols from the alphabet sigma. Now we have taken alphabets. See, alphabet nothing but what? Set of symbols, right? Now we are taking a sequence of symbols from the alphabet. So whatever the alphabet containing symbol, that sequence of symbols you have to take and form a string. Or or string is a finite sequence of symbols from the alphabet, usually written next to one another and not separated by comma. It is denoted by W. Please do understand. Now string is denoted by W. How the W is formed? W is formed like a sequence of symbols taken from the alphabet. Sequence of symbols taken from the alphabet. If I take A comma B as alphabet, now what is string? String W will be like this. How we are writing? See, symbol, right? See, finite sequence of symbols from the alphabet, usually written next to one another. See, A B next to one another, not separated by comma. This is string. Another string B A like this. A B A B B. And this is string. Say this is string. The string is not separated by comma, in between no commas. See, if I write contiguously, like concatenation of all symbols, nothing but a symbol. Simple, understand. Suppose W if I take 0 comma 1 as an alphabet. So now what I told, symbol string nothing but sequence of symbols from the alphabet sigma. String, you can see how your string is defined. W. You can take 0 as a string also. Simple one. You can form a string with one symbol also. You can form string with many symbols also, like 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Any combination we can write. This is are the strings. So this is example 1, example 2. I can take suppose 3 sigma as an alphabet, right? Sigma as an alphabet. Sigma as an alphabet. If I take like this is a dollar, this is symbol. So this alphabet I can take single symbol also, correct or not? Now with that string we can form string W equal to, I can take 1 or $2 like this we can write it. Yes or no? Are you getting my point? This is what string. So definition is clear of you. Now we'll see length of the string. Length of the string. Length of the string nothing but number of symbols that is containing a string. Simply is the number of symbols that it contains. Suppose W equal to 0 1 0. Suppose I'm taking alphabet 0 comma 1 I'm taking, and W as a 0 1 0. Look this. Now string length. String length equal to how much? How many symbols are there? 3. Yes, 3 we can say. Understand? Then the length of the string W equal to 3. Now, so please do understand, it is denoted by mod W. Length of the string denoted by mod W, that indicate number of symbols within that. Are you getting my point? So how many symbols are there? 3. The length of the string is 3. Suppose if I take W equal to 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now length of the W equal to how many? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes or no? 5 only? Yes, 5. That you have to understand. Some note point we will observe. Here only have some note point. Say note point, write down. So length of the W, like length of the W greater than or equal to 0. Indication what? So length W equal to 0 or length W greater than 1. Length W 0 meaning what? Length W 0 is meaning what? What does mean here? Length W means no string is there. Here no symbol is there. Yes or no? No symbol is there. Yes or no? Empty. So at least one symbol is there. At least one symbol is there. Yes or no? This is length greater than or equal to I must greater than or equal to 0 means it could length of the string could be 0 or greater. If it is 0, nothing but no symbols are there. If it is greater than 0, nothing but at least one symbol is there. That you have to understand. So simply I am defining overall conclusion. String nothing but sequence of symbols taken from the alphabet sigma, and length of the string nothing but number of symbols with containing into W. The length of the string must be greater than or equal to 0. That is denoted by what? Mod W. That you would understand. Please note out this thing very clearly, all of you.